Are you tired of your thoughts racing in endless circles, driving you to the brink of anxiety and overthinking? Imagine finding a path to serenity, not only through Western philosophy, but by delving into the rich tapestry of Eastern wisdom. Join us on a journey where we explore ancient Japanese, Chinese, and other Asian influences, each offering a unique key to unlock the secrets of controlling overthinking. Discover how the bamboo's flexibility, the Zen path of non-attachment, and the wisdom of legendary martial artist Bruce Lee can transform your mental landscape. Unearth the magic of mindfulness and the art of adapting, and learn to navigate the labyrinth of your thoughts with grace. This is an exploration you won't want to miss. Your ticket to tranquility awaits, so stay tuned till the end. 1. The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that resists. Japanese proverb. In the midst of overthinking, consider the flexibility of bamboo. Japanese wisdom teaches us that sometimes it's better to adapt and flow with the circumstances rather than resisting them. This mental flexibility can prevent you from getting entangled in overthinking and help you maintain your inner strength. 2. The perfect way is only difficult for those who pick and choose. Do not like, do not dislike. All will then be clear. Sengchan, 3rd Zen Patriarch. Zen Buddhism encourages us to observe our thoughts without attachment or aversion. Overthinking often stems from our preferences and judgments. By adopting a mindset of non-attachment, you can achieve mental clarity and free yourself from the burdens of overthinking. 3. You cannot prevent the birds of sorrow from flying over your head, but you can prevent them from building nests in your hair. Chinese proverb. Chinese wisdom reminds us that we cannot always control the thoughts that pass through our minds, but we can control whether we allow them to linger. Overthinking can become a habit, and this quote encourages us to prevent those thoughts from taking root and causing distress. 4. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of mindfulness and staying present. Overthinking often involves ruminating on past regrets or worrying about future uncertainties. By focusing on the here and now, you can escape the mental traps of overthinking and find tranquility. 5. Be like water making its way through cracks. Do not be assertive, but adjust to the object, and you shall find a way around or through it. Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee's philosophy draws inspiration from various Asian traditions, and it encourages us to adapt rather than resist. Water flows around obstacles, and so should our minds. Instead of persistently dwelling on problems, find ways to navigate around them, and overthinking will lose its grip. 6. When walking, walk. When eating, eat. Zen proverb. This simple Zen proverb reminds us to be fully present in whatever we do. Overthinking often arises from mental multitasking, where our thoughts are scattered and unfocused. By practicing mindfulness in each activity, you can prevent your mind from wandering into the depths of overthinking. These ancient teachings teach us that serenity often blossoms from simplicity and harmonizing with our surroundings.